Alright, here we are today with a box. It's not spare parts, but it's a car actually. You might be thinking what car it is. It's an RC car. For you who don't not know what an RC car is, it's a radio control car. I bought this used, and we are going to open this right now and see what I got. Oh, nice. The first one is the manual. Okay, this is our buggy. It's the XRAY XB 9. The manual, oh, beautiful. Pictures, codes, everything. Very nice to have always a manual. You can download this, of course, on the internet, but it's always nice if you have a manual included. Nice packaging. Let's be careful and remove. And this is our buggy, the XB 9 XRAY. Alright, I'm trying to remove the shell. Oh, there are two shells actually. We need to clean those up. Maybe a little aluminum foil on bolts. We'll check them out later. And this is what we got. Well, on the first sight it looks okay. There's carbon fiber parts, which is nice, it's great. They are light. It's good for racing. And so far I cannot see anything bad. Let's see the differential. Differential looking good. Yeah, nice, no problems with the differential. Tank seems okay. Some weight have been added here. I don't know if this is necessary for the balance. Oh, and under it is a case. We got some extra spare parts for this buggy, and let's see what we got. What's under this case? Oh, wow, there's a lot. Even brake discs. Also another center gear, 42 teeth. Good. Those are the holders for our legs and body. They have been changed for some reason. We need to check them out. Maybe they are broken or something. Well, it looks like a nice project. I need to check all the spare parts later. There's a lot of them. Even more carbon fiber parts are in here from this car. Nice, we can experiment on them. So we are going this project step by step to get all the screws or maybe minor things that I will notice out of the buggy and repair it and make it, you see, this is some differential oil, so some of our from our differentials is leaking, so we need to repair that too. But it's not a big problem. We're going to go step by step through this, and we'll see what is coming out in the end. That's it for now. See you later.